Hey everyone, so I have a 12 by 16 gallery wrap canvas, and I'm going to do a flip and drag, not my usual down the middle. We're going to move it around the canvas. I did one the other day with some colors that it actually was quite pretty, so I thought I will try it on this one. So I have a 5-ounce cup. I'm going to spray it with WD-40 silicone spray. I'm going to rub that in. So the colors that I'm using are Prussian Blue from Lucas, Artist Loft Naples Yellow, Folk Art Color Shift Blue Flash, and Premier Purple Red. So it ought to be an interesting mix. So I'm going to start with the Prussian Blue. And I'll follow that with the Blue Flash. We have a storm here, so you might get a little rumbly. Okay, and I'm going to follow that with the Purple Red. And some Naples Yellow. And I think I'm going to do another layer. I brought my camera down a little closer. I don't know how much better this will be. I'm just hoping I don't go out of frame. Okay, so there we have it. Oops, I splattered. Oh, that's pretty. That's all right. We splatter. Okay, let's see if I can poke a hole. These cups have been giving me a hard time, so it's finding a sweet spot. So I want to glide on top of the canvas. Pretty. I think I need to go back in though. I have some spots here that are pretty shallow. Well, maybe not. Move it around, we'll see. Okay, so I'm going to dump that way first, hopefully, if it'll let me. Nope, it wants to go this way first. I really have to watch that monitor so I don't go too far. I've got a pile of color down here. Let me go back in. I'm going to scoop up just a little bit of white. And I'm going to come this way. Fill up those spots. touch those edges to get it to go again. She was bare. Just trying to get this here to connect. There we go. And then I'll bring it back. Colors are pretty. I don't know if you can see this runoff, but it's gorgeous. That's definitely going to have to get picked up for his skin. There. I got it over. Just barely. Okay, let me just airbrush a couple of spots. Wipe my hands off here. This is pretty, I don't want to touch that. I think I'm going to leave it. I have a hook. I don't like hooks. The nice thing is if you come out too far, you can take it back in and just gently push her back out. So I think that's all I'm going to do. One little shallow spot there. Got a lot of touch up to do on the white, but I don't need to do that on camera. And I think that's it. Pretty, pretty. I'll be curious to see how that blue flash looks when it's dry. I haven't used it in a flip and drag before this week, so should be cool. Alright guys, that's it for this one. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Oh, and check out my links below. Bye now.